Generate income online. Three, oh, three, oh, three. Fast ways to earn money online. I lost me fingers. Earn money online may be difficult for some individuals. However, not for you. Through this article, you will learn how to do it quickly and easily. So be ready with your bank account, due to the fact that you will make a great deal of money if you follow these points. The first thing that you should do is to increase your website traffic, because you will have more possibilities of sales or AdSense clicks being checked out by more people and more possibilities to generate income online. For this, you should make as numerous traffic exchanges as you can, given that this will enable you to obtain more Cs from other sites. One critical thing is to know the kind of site traffic you have in order to decide what kinds of tools you may provide to those visitors. Other methods to increase website traffic to earn money online consists in the promotion of a newsletter sign-up page, which you need to send letters on a serial of automatic emails promoting your items or affiliate items. The second thing you can do to earn money online is to perform a SEO or SEO small, an essential term used in the web today. This system will allow you to acquire a more competitor visitors to your own site when you get a better ranking on the internet, while they search for something simply surfing on a larger online search engine. Through better positioning of your own site in the search engines like MSN, Yahoo or Google, you may likewise make more money online selling and promoting any item you wish to launch to the market. The essential thing for this is to have a current and great content on your website. Write your own short articles and publish them in different short article directories. To earn money online, the third thing you can do is to begin a newsletter or e-zine. It does not matter if your website is large or little, just publish the code for newsletters that different websites have onto your own website. Google uses free mailing groups, an autoresponder system utilized to submit a newsletter to your subscribe list. There are different free scripts that carry out this function. To put it simply, through this way you will enable people to subscribe for your newsletter or e-zine with the most recent news you will have about your promos and products. A totally free gift may be absolutely necessary in order to encourage your visitors to offer you his or her name in an email. Making cash online might be impossible for some people, but not for you. Be all set with your bank account, due to the fact that you will make lots of cash if you follow these ideas. The much better position of your own website in the search engines like MSN, Yahoo or Google. You might also make money on online selling and promoting any item you desire to introduce to the market. I hope a bit of this has helped you. They're not very long videos, but I try and make them helpful. If you want more help, I have a YouTube link underneath my video, which leads to my YouTube site. And there are over 300 videos on making money online, or setting up online accounts, or working from home to make money. All those kind of things to make money from home and do it on your own are in my YouTube videos. If you go to YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366, I'll repeat that, YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Put that in the browser. Click on go, scroll down the page and you'll start finding my videos lower down. They're not at the top, but lower down. Now, the videos underneath, as I've said, are all about earning money. Other ways, I have links underneath my video. They're links that I've used to get tools with, or programs I have joined that I liked. I don't own any of these programs. I own the tools, but not the programs. They're all affiliated links. And if you like anything, decide to join that site or buy that product or that tool, I will get paid a small commission. Do your proper searches. Use Google for full in-depth searches. Put the name of the site or the affiliate program you're going to join. They will give you pages of information on it. Also, YouTube is very good, but with YouTube you have to put how to make money online, how to learn how to ride a bike, how to fish in a cold river, things like that. YouTube comes up with some brilliant videos. They show you how to do things. So Google, YouTube, do your proper searches, make sure you don't get scammed. Now at the bottom of my video, or maybe even on the video just below it, there is a like button. Please press that like button, and that helps me with YouTube. Just do it for me. It really brings the numbers up for me. Also, if you subscribe, that helps as well. Now up the top there's a bell. Click on the bell and press all. You'll be informed when I put another video up. So if you don't want to go to my YouTube channel, if you click that bell and all, YouTube will send you a notification when I put another video up. So all the very best with your online ventures. Please do your searches. Don't get scammed. And thank you for being here. Press the like button please and subscribe. I say Ian Jackson saying cheerio for now. Hope you have success and enjoy your time online. Cheerio.